Growing up in the islands, there are a variety of plant foods that we live off of. Most people can plant and grow these on a large plot of land. But what happens when you move overseas and you no longer have convenient access to these plant foods? I'm here to share with you that you can bring those island plant foods right into your home, right into your backyard or front yard. Welcome to my home. Let me show you around. In today's video, I wanted to show you how we live as islanders right here in the US, growing and eating right out of our garden. This garden wouldn't be possible without my father-in-law, who is such an incredible gardener. Thank you, Pa. Now, you will see throughout the video pictures and names pop up on the screen over the plants that I will be showing you in the video. I will not be narrating each individual plant, as what I have to share, say, explain, and describe about these plants are much longer than the actual footage I have. However, follow along, and in addition to that, in the description box below is a list of all the plants. Now, naturally, I am Tongan, so I will be sharing these plants in Tongan with their English names. If you are Samoan, Fijian, or any of our other Pacific Islanders, please comment down below when you see the plant pop up on the screen and let us know what you call those plants in your language. Typically for Tongans, if there is a specific or certain plant we want to plant in our garden, we would just ask one of our other Tongan families who already has that, or another Polynesian family who has it, and we'd bring it and plant it in our garden. The perks of the list I have provided below is you can actually just take those names down to your local nursery and buy it from them, or you could just type it in online and order it online. I want to highlight a few key plants in today's video. This first plant I want to highlight is called Kaloni Kakala. In Tongan, it's called Kaloni Kakala. In English, it's called Rangoon creeper, and it smells so amazing when it blooms. This next one that I want to highlight is coming up in just a little bit. It's Lala. We use this for medicinal purposes. It's really good for cankers and sores. My kids always drink this when they have sores in their mouths. In English, it's called beach Vitex. I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. Beach Vitex, again, the list is in the description box below. Now, in every Tongan or Polynesian garden, you will most likely find the staple plant, and that is taro. We eat the root and we also eat the leaves, so it's really convenient that we have this here in our home. Here's another staple, lemongrass. Also throughout this video, you're going to be seeing lots of avocado trees. And a little fun fact, some of these avocado trees we planted with seeds that we got from grocery store avocados we bought. Fun fact, you can replant some of those seeds and grow more for yourself in your own yard. This is a new addition to our garden this year. We call this in Tongan ufi. In English, it's called lesser yam. Lesser yam. Again, it's in the list below if you want to try checking your local nursery if they have it, or you can just order it online. Lesser yam. So good. Now, another plant I wanted to highlight is another variety of bananas. So Tongans, along with other Polynesians, as you would know if you are a Pacific Islander, we like to eat different varieties of bananas. Typically for Tongans, it's either the regular bananas, plantains, or those short, fat ones that we call Hopa. I've done my research, guys, and I have what Hopa is called in English. Burro bananas. Burro bananas, in case you want to check your local nursery. Here's a fig tree. Every time I see this tree, I'm reminded of that song. Ko kita woe ko fikita e fua. Oh yeah, not the Tongan songs. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to share with you guys these Pacific Island plants that we have right here in our home, front and backyard. We have been so tremendously blessed to be able to eat what we are accustomed to eating, things that we grew up eating back in the islands, and it's just such a blessing to have access to that right here in our home. Genesis chapter 1 verse 29 says, "And God said, Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed, which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree in the which is the fruit of a tree yielding seed, to you it shall be for meat. And that's exactly what this garden has provided for us. When we first moved here, there was a lot of ginormous trees providing plenty of shade. However, they were not providing fruit. So my father-in-law has been working diligently over the years to replace those trees with plants and trees that could actually provide food for us. It has been a blessing. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Comment down below what your favorite part of this video was. Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate the support we've received so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media, and remember, no matter where you are on your journey, there is always room for you at our table right here on Poly Vegan Kitchen.